Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About. I know that you can see the developer options right here, but if you want to open them for the very first time, you will have to go through the process of activating them. So let's tap on About. Right here we have to enter software information and find more. And as you can see, the build number is right here, and it will allow us actually to activate the developer options. So all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you will see the information that you are in the developer mode. Of course, as you can see, there is no need in my case because I am already in the developer mode. So after that, all you have to do is to simply get back to the general settings, and the developer options will appear right above the About. So simply enter it. Here you will have the information that the developer options are actually advanced options, so they are not usually active normally, in the normal mode. So be careful with customizing them, because sometimes you may harm your device and it will be irreversible. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see right here, we've got some developer options, some advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show the feedback for touches, we can show pointer location, or we can tap on advanced. So here we've got more options like the show surface updates. We can force the RTL layout direction, so it will be simply mirrored, let's say, and so on and so on. So here we've got, let's say, more advanced, and here we've got, let's say, basics, so some options which are connected to the Wi-Fi, to the debugging, and so on. So if you want to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to mark it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got some options without the switcher, like here in the logger buffer sizes, then simply tap on it and you will have much more options. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and usually after getting back to the settings, developer options should disappear. If they do not, just like in my case, then try to either turn off the settings completely, I mean from the recent, or simply reset your device. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the developer options in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.